Hi guys, welcome back to Amanda Palan TV channel. I'm so happy today because finally today's arrived. And what is arrived? It's a parcel, a package from the House of Flynn. Oh my god. If you are in the US and you're a photographer, you're a mom, and you need a bag for your camera that not look like a camera bag that is lousy and huge, just like this old bag, which is actually, this is not mine, this is my brother-in-law's bag, because originally I don't have a camera bag, and then I just purchased my Canon 80D like last year, and then I hate this bag, seriously. It's huge, it's just bulky, and it's black. It's just like a typical camera bag, which I hate it. And you know, I searched on the internet, thank God, on the internet and Instagram, and finally I found the House of Flynn. It's from the US. It's made by, the owner actually is Maureen Flynn, and she's very, I don't know, I look at her as if she got this an incredible future of a mom, of a photographer, which I'm about to be a mom as well because I'm pregnant right now, and I could see myself as her. I don't know, so yeah, I like her, and she's a professional photographer as well as a mermaid. She loves mermaids so much. Cut the crap, I finally got my package. This baby is the mini Evermore. Before that, I originally want to purchase the full size, the regular one, but I think it's too big for me. This one, I think, is the perfect size. And look at this box, it's so cute, right? And it took like, well, I chose the 3 to 5 days for a shipment, but it got stuck on the customs for like 3 days, so it took like more than a week, like 10 days, and then finally it arrived today, and I'm gonna open this with you guys. I haven't seen this. This one is the flamingo pink color, if I'm not mistaken. It's pink, and it's gonna be cute, definitely. So let's open it. Okay, so are you ready? Here comes the bag. Ooh, what's inside that? Ugh. House of Flynn. Oh my god! And inside the box, and they give me a pen, a little pen of House of Flynn. Can you see that? Yeah, it's their logo. Gonna put it aside, and here's the baby. Let's open this baby from the plastic, and oh my lord, it's gonna be cute. I can tell. It is so cute. Look at that. Oh, I love it. See? It's a strap bag, by the way, and there's for the mini Evermore, there's no back strap, but if you purchase the normal size, the regular one, the new one, they have this kind of like hidden back strap, so you can use it like a backpack or something, but I think I don't need that. So this bag is not a leather, it's a man-made vegan leather, but the quality, I can feel it's nice. It's not like a cheap kind of vegan leather. It's very good quality. I'm gonna open the strap, and it's padded as well, so when you put it here, it won't really, you know, make you won't feel a pain because of carrying this too long. This bag is perfect. And it has so many pockets. You can see there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pockets. So this one has a magnet clasp, and this one I believe is for a memory card. Yeah, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 memory card holder, and inside of the bag is like a strap kind of design, and I can put maybe snacks or something inside of here, and maybe I can put my phone over here on this. Is it gonna fit? This one is Samsung S8, so let's try if it fits. Well, it's not fit, okay, because it's too short, but I can just put it inside because I don't like to put my phone on the outside pocket, but I can put whatever things that I want here. And also another zip pocket here as well, and same goes to the other side. And at the back there's a pocket as well with a clasp, which is important because I don't like a bag that without this magnet clasp it will be like loose, and I just don't like it. Let's open inside. It's a strap design, and see, there's a place for you to put a little laptop or maybe iPad. And this is the divider, the cushion. You got like 1, 2, 3, 4 cushion padded divider. So if you're about to go with your camera or something, you can just put the divider and make your own compartment, whichever you like. You just put it like that, and voila, I have one divider inside. And yeah, it's actually the perfect size for me. So if I use it right now, the size probably would be like this. Let me make it a little longer. Oh, I like it. It's very nice. Usually it's quite hard, but this is just slide perfectly. And ooh, my belly. Let's see. It's just perfect size for me. It's not too much. It's just the perfect size, and I love this. So if you're about to purchase one of their bags, if you're curious about House of Flynn, they also have this amazing tribe, which is Mermaid Tribe on Facebook. I'm one of them as well. You can just check them out on their website, which is, I'm gonna put it down below. Also, if you're about to, I don't know, curious about the group, you can check on their Facebook as well, House of Flynn Mermaid Tribe. And seriously, thank you so much, Maureen Flynn, for creating this stunning bag. I really love it. I'm gonna use it right away. So let's find out what fits inside this new House of Flynn bag. My ATD is a 1855mm lens. Gonna put it here. Okay. Let's take one of the divider for my wallet or whatever. By the way, this bag could be a diaper bag as well, or just any kind of bag without the divider. I'm gonna put my phone. This is my sunglasses, which I got from Timberland. Side, it's still empty, still got a lot of room. This is my small wallet, which I purchased from Spain. This one is Moroccan leather. I still got room, so I'm gonna try my 13-inch MacBook right inside, and I still got tons of room left. So perhaps I could fit my pencil case if, let's say, I need it. It fits, and let's put it. Actually, I can put my camera, which is the one that I'm using right now for recording this video. Oh, it's quite heavy because of the laptop, but I think it can bear all the weight it's going to be, and I think it's sturdy enough, it's strong enough, so it won't break apart like a few years later, and it's gorgeous. So yeah, definitely a very good bag for you to purchase, especially if you're a mom photographer and you want a nice lovely bag for your camera that suits well. Like this video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.